Hi friends. Let me explain about Bitcoin in 30 seconds. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital cash that can be sent anywhere in the world over the internet. Please stay with me for more updates. How does it work? Bitcoin works via open source software over a peer-to-peer network by passing banks and traditional payment gateways. No central authority needed. Let's understand what is blockchain. The blockchain is a shared public ledger on which the entire Bitcoin network relies. All confirmed transactions are included in the blockchain. Next, let's understand what is transaction. A transaction is a transfer of value between Bitcoin wallets that gets included in the blockchain. Well, what is mining? Mining is a distributed consensus system that is used to confirm pending transactions by including them in the blockchain. Why should I care? Faster, cheaper payments. Send money across the globe in minutes with extremely low fees. Financial inclusion. Almost 2.5 billion unbanked people can have access to money via a smartphone or a computer. Increased privacy. Bitcoin transactions are public, but your identity is not. Would you like to learn everything you need to know about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency and blockchain, including investing, mining and much more? I have listed all the courses that you may need to take to understand the Bitcoin and related technologies behind Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in the video description. I have also listed the useful and different types of wallets you can use to buy, sell and transact Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Please make sure you read the video description to know more about courses and wallets. Thank you and bye.